Hi, my name is Viola Brown. Welcome to my channel, aka Nail Cover Lover. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a fall cat eye look, and I'm collabing with Pumpkin's Nail Station. She will be using Emily. I am using Yayoge, which is Yayoge 005, and then the Yayoge 002, and then the Yayoge 001, and these are the cat eye collection, you guys. I got these a little while back. And what you do is you paint your nail with one of the colors, which is, this one is the top. And this is the red that I used, which is 002. And then 005 is the yellow that I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and put another layer on here of these two colors with you guys. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do with the design, which is going to be fall leaves and whatnot. So, and that's what I'm going to do. So I want you guys to check it out. And you can get away with just one color under here, but I'm wanting it to be a richer red. Let me move this yellow out of the way for a minute. And you guys need to go check out Pumpkin's Nail Station and subscribe to her if you haven't already, and check out her look with the cat eye. And like I said, I think she's using Emily, but we both wanted to do a cat eye set with the cat eye polishes. All right, there's that one. Now let me paint this yellow. Move this red out of the way because I'm clumsy as whatnot. Oops, sorry for bumping you guys. Alrighty, now I'm going to give them a quick cure. Now I do on my plate have the 005 red and the 00 yellow, or 002, which is a yellow. And on here I'm putting the 001. And this is what does the trick for the cat eye. These colors here are like an underleg. And then on my palette, I got some Yayoge black and some Yayoge white. And I'm going to get these cured and I'll be right back. I'm going to cure these for 60 seconds. Alrighty, I got them cured. And what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to draw the outlines of leaves. And I want to show you what I kind of did to like test it out. Let's get this popping. And the magnet that I'm using I got from Wish, I think it, yeah, Wish. Which you got a set, which is stripe and then the swirls. That's the one I'm going to be using the most. Stripe. But I do have this one I might use, and then your typical, let me get it unstuck to everything, guys. Your typical cat eye one. And then I have also got this one. All right, now here's where the magic starts, you guys. I just put a matte top coat over the yellow nail. Thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So over the yellow nail with the leaves on it that we done with the cat eye, I put the Beetles matte top coat on it. One coat of it. Alrighty, now let's give these guys some top coat, which I'm going to use Princess Nails by Diana. Her no wipe top coat. I'm going to go ahead and gloss this one because I think it looks better glossy. And this is my Flexi hand from Flexi Finger that I'm using. The rings that you see are from Elaine Muncie on Facebook. She sells them. They're like $5. It's paparazzi jewelry. And there we have it. Let's give them a cure. For 60 seconds. If you've been here with me, I greatly appreciate you. If you're new here, would you please like and subscribe and share? And there would be a list of ladies in my description box that is in need of some watch time. Tammy and Manny's, Tia, Stazzy Nail Art by Tia, On Fleek Nails by Kiki, myself, and then the other three girls are BRC Nails, Catherine Ford, and Cherie Just Nailed It. Those three just had gotten monetized recently. And if you could go watch them and give them some watch time, and don't skip their commercials because that's how they make their monties. But yeah, and I need watch time and subscribers if you guys want to share. And yeah, that's about it. And go subscribe to Pumpkin's Nail Station. I'll have her link in my description box or up in the cards or whatever. And that's it, guys. And here is the end result. What do you think? I will have some pictures. And you guys gotta go watch Pumpkin's video of her fall cat eye nails. Alright guys, I will see you later. Bye-bye.